Right, so we've got the Maxcom 4E test. Mr Chippie's going to go out to the usual site. He's going to do some shopping at Aldi or Lidl like he does. And so we're on the customer's Maxcom 4E. If you'd looked at the videos, this is the first one we did. The one with the Dove phase lock loop chip and the one with the holes in the lid. So when he comes back, we're going to do the second Maxcom 4E. That's the one with the receive issue, which was capacitors around the audio IC. Now this set works better both on transmit and receive than the other one. And interestingly enough, the direction works better coming back. So he's going to sound like the other set works as well as this one probably, but we'll all see what it's like at Scratchy Corner. So here we go. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, here we go.
Yep, roger that. Coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. I forgot to switch the set on earlier, but it's not that cold, so hopefully it's going to behave.
Yeah, it seems to be at the moment.
Roger. So this is because the Midland 78 blue display radio he's got, and we've got in all four vehicles. The VCOs don't lock properly when it's cold. It's really disappointing, and I think we're going to be changing them all for Harvard 420Ms, and Stuff CPT will stop doing CPT sets altogether.
Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Lancaster service station.
Roger that.
And yes, they do service cars at the Lancaster service station. It's not just a petrol station, it is a service station, and they do MOT, which are your annual Ministry of Transport tests which vehicles have to undergo in the UK.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Again, 21 from Mr Chippie is now going round Scratchy Corner to Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Maxcom 4E, and the radio's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yeah, roger that, all received. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayling turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn, better than usual, over. Well, that was better than usual as well. Perhaps the leaves have come off the trees and it's got a bit better. That's usually our worst one. So his final one will be the level crossing at Rawsby, and that's the 6 mile point. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. That concludes this test. So if you give me a call when you're ready, and we'll do the other set over.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Okay, so that worked fine. So we're on my standard replacement microphone. If you looked at the video, the customer's microphone was open circuit, so we've had to do the repair using mine. what we're going to do on the second set, we're going to use this same microphone, and then I've got my own Maxcom 4E microphone. I want to see what it sounds like, as if mine is still working, that is, but it should be. So here we go over to my Harrier CBHQ base station. We'll see what this particular set sounds like on the standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the first Maxcom 4E into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when Mr Chippie comes back from his shopping, we'll try the second set.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, yeah, receiving you loud and clear at Rossby Level Crossing.
Roger, got you at Rossby Level Crossing. This is at number 2 set. I think the camera's going for a wander.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, well, it definitely works better in this other direction, so it isn't a fair test. But nevertheless, this radio is working fine over.
Yeah, roger that. All received. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Ancaster.
Roger, got you coming down the hill. That means you're over the hill.
Yeah, just like you.
Ha ha ha.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster Service Station.
Okay, well, we'll call it a day at that. That's fine, thank you very much. That concludes the test, and I'll just put it through to my base station so the viewers can see what it sounds like.
Yeah, no problem. 10-10.
10-10. Okay, so we'll do just that, and then I'll change over to my factory original mic. Which is this one here.
Tango 21, testing the second Maxcom 4E into our Harrier CBHQ base station with my standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we'll go over to the factory original microphone. Tango 21, testing the second Maxcom 4E on my factory original microphone, which I've borrowed off my own set. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that concludes the test of the two Maxcom 4Es. Thanks for watching.